Hello students, in this part we will study about the phylum Gnathostomata. Gnathostomata. These are the vertebrata which contain jaw. They bear jaw. Without jaw, Agnatha. We have already studied about them. Gnathostomata. These are the vertebrata in which jaw present. First feature this one. And vertebrata, that means notochord present throughout lifetime. Notochord present through the lifetime. First one. And the notochord converts into the vertebral column. So these are called vertebrata. Notochord convert in vertebral column. So they are called vertebrata. The Gnathostomata vertebrata are two types. Which one? Pisces and Tetrapoda. Gnathostomata are of two categories. First one is Pisces, जो bear fins, and second one is Tetrapoda, bear limbs. Now we will study about the Pisces. मतलब those vertebrata which contain fins, those are called Pisces. Gnathostomata, they contain two categories. कौन सी? Chondrich thighs and ostrich thighs. Chondrich thighs and ostrich thighs. First we will study about chondrich thighs. What are the features of chondrich thighs? Mostly Pisces means fish होती हैं. These are mostly fish. They are aquatic. They have gill slit for the respiration. These are features of fishes or Pisces. Chondrich thighs. These are mostly marine. Endoskeleton in these animals is made up of cartilage. Endoskeleton of these animals is made up of cartilage, means flexible bone. So ostrich thighs endoskeletal is also contained, but it is made of bone. This is the main difference. Endoskeletal in chondrich thighs is made up of cartilage. There are 10 pairs of cranial nerves. Gill slits are present in pairs for respiration without operculum. Gill slits are present in pairs without operculum. What is operculum? Means इनके ऊपर किसी प्रकार का फ्लैप ढक्कन नहीं होता, गिल स्लिट ओपन रहती है. They are cold blooded means pykilothermus. The body is covered with scale. स्केल से कवर्ड होती है, कौन सी इसमें? प्लेकॉइड स्केल्स. द बॉडी इज कवर्ड विद प्लेकॉइड स्केल. What are placoid scales? There are many rings-like structures which arises just above the skin. वो होती प्लेकॉइड स्केल से बनी होती है इनकी बॉडी के ऊपर. जबकि ऑस्टियोसाइट्स के अंदर एक डिफरेंस और है, इसमें साइक्लॉइड या टिनॉइड स्केल्स के बनी होती है. टिनॉइड बॉम्ब लाइक होती हैं, ये स्केल छोटे छोटे रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स कंटेन होते हैं जस्ट अबव द स्किन. और ये फ्लैप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं, बॉम्ब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं जो कि साइक्लॉइड टिनॉइड से बने होते हैं. They are viviparous. Means they produce young ones. Reproduction is sexual, but internal fertilization mostly these are predaceous, मतलब प्रेडेटर होते हैं. predaceous animals, प्रेडेटर शिकारी होते हैं. सम इसमें कुछ ऐसे इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक वगैरह प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, जैसे कि टॉर्पीडो. कुछ के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिक स्ट्रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं, स्ट्रिंग रेज बोलते हैं इसको, ट्राइगोन. some contain electric organ such as torpedo, and some may have electric sting. Trigon. These are the main features. विविपेरस है, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन है, बट फर्टिलाइजेशन में कैसा होता है? इंटरनल होता है. दे हैव पेयर्स, 10 pairs of cranial nerves. Gill slits for respiration is present without operculum. These are the main features of chondrichthyes. Development कौन सा होगा? विविपेरस है, it means young, direct development can take place. They have two chamber heart. They have heart but two chamber. One is auricle and other is ventricle. They have two chamber heart. One is auricle, atrium जिसको बोलते हैं, and one ventricle. First, the next feature is they don't have air bladder. इनके अंदर air bladder नहीं होता. So all the time they need to swim. इसलिए इनको हर समय तैरते रहना पड़ता. Otherwise they swell up into the water. They don't contain air bladder in which air is stored. Buoyant force produce नहीं होता. So they continuously swim. Otherwise they sunk at the bottom. For example, ट्राइगोन, टॉर्पीडो, सा फिश भी बोलते हैं, क्रिस्टिस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ट्राइगोन, टॉर्पीडो. ट्राइगोन को सी हॉर्स के नाम से भी जानते हैं, एंड क्रिस्टिस सा फिश कहते हैं. And And one more differentiation between chondrichthyes and osteichthyes is they have mouth ventrally. They have mouth ventrally, which contain teeth backwardly folded. बैकवर्ड फोल्डिंग में लोग इनके दांत होते हैं कुछ इस प्रकार से, नहीं अंदर की तरफ मुड़े हुए धसे हुए होते हैं, जस्ट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर। तो बैकवर्ड फोल्डेड जो कि प्लेकाइड से बने होते हैं, माउथ कंटेन होता है वेंट्रली लोअर साइड में, हार्ट की तरफ कंटेन होता है, टीथ जो होते हैं बैकवर्डली फोल्डेड होते हैं। दीज आर द मेन फीचर ऑफ chondrichthyes एंड osteichthyes। The main differentiation, they are mostly marine, aquatic freshwater। they are aquatic freshwater भी कंटेन होता है, marine में भी कंटेन होता है। तो मेन डिफरेंस क्या है? freshwater, they are found in freshwater and marine water। first differentiation। second one is endoskeleton of these animals is made up of cartilage, or endoskeleton in these animals is made up of bone। the next one is there are 10 pairs of cranial nerves, they also contain 10 pairs of cranial nerves। Fourth feature, gill slits are present in pairs, this one is also, but with operculum, they are covered। gill slit present in pairs but covered with separate operculum। The next feature is they have cold blooded, they are also cold blooded, poikilothermous। they don't have to maintain the body temperature itself, अपने आप नहीं कर सकती। Next one is body is covered with placoid scales, body is covered with ctenoid or cycloid scale, cycloid or ctenoid scale। ये comb like scale हो गई है, comb like scales। The next feature is they are viviparous but they are oviparous, oviparous। reproduction is sexually, yes, sexual reproduction। but external fertilization, it is internal fertilization। इसमें क्या होगा? external fertilization। the next feature is mouth, these are mostly these are predaceous animals, बट इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। प्रेडेसियस भी होती हैं क्योंकि फाइटिंग फिश के नाम से जानते हैं, जिनको एक्वेरियम में रखा जाता है, बेट्स। और उसके बाद जस्ट है डेवलपमेंट डायरेक्ट, इसमें इनडायरेक्ट होता है, इनडायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट। two chamber heart, they also contain two chamber heart, one is auricle and other is ventricle। 10th, this is the similar। 11, they don't contain air bladder but they have air bladder। 10, 11 क्या है? they contain air bladder which provide the buoyant force, so they already, if they are not need to swim, there is no need to swim all the time। buoyant force, air bladder provide the buoyant force which they can be float at the surface of the water। and next one is trigonal, they have mouth ventrally, they have terminal mouth, सामने माउथ होता है इसका, टर्मिनली या टर्मिनल माउथ। एंड एग्जांपल दें इसका, लेबियो, जिसको रोहू के नाम से भी जानते हैं, कटला, बैट। ये बैट फिश जो होती हैं फाइटिंग फिश होती हैं, सो दे आर केप्ट इन एक्वेरियम। So these are the example of ostrich. We can differentiate between condylicides and ostrich of these two differences. You have to draw the diagram of one of each phylum in your notebook. Clear?